Hey everybody, we're over here at the natural bridges up in Calaveras County. We're hoping to find some cool stuff in these caves that are underneath, apparently making a natural bridge over it. But we're gonna go ahead and get going. I don't want other people to have to dodge the camera. All right, see you down there. Very cool. Down there. Hopefully I can find some stuff and put it in my bag. All right, I'll see you guys down there. Everybody, so here's how much trash we collected today. This is a couple ditty bags full of trash right here, using this good old thing right here, and pretty sure we'll find some more. All right. Hey everybody, we're finishing up the day here at the Natural Bridges Caverns. Here, it's in Calaveras County. It's not the ones down in Santa Cruz, so don't mistake it. This is obviously not Santa Cruz. It's like 100 degrees right now. I want to go over some of the finds we had for the day, other than this big old pile of trash. So we've got a couple sunglasses. We've got some Oakleys, some Tommy Bahamas. They're so bad that they're missing lenses. Some Arnett, never heard of them. Somebody lost their prescription glasses. Feel bad for them. And then we've got little kid sunglasses. All right, the other finds we've got for the day. This one's kind of sketchy. Called this one a potential murder weapon. I don't know why it's down in the caverns. There's no fishing down there. A little weird. Got this earring right here. That's pretty cool. Don't know why the backing's on it though. Usually if you lose an earring, there's no backing. And then there's this right here. This will be all blurred out, but yeah, we found your license and we'll probably be mailing it to you. So too bad. DMV is hard to get into as it is. Other than that, we've got this big old bag of trash. We've got shoes, cans. We've got pretty much the only thing in here that's ours is 2 cans. So make sure to leave a big thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell notification so you can get alerts whenever I have new videos. Also make sure to leave a comment down below if you liked what we did here today, and maybe we can visit this area again, or at least some area that's similar to this, and we'll try to make that happen. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Hey everybody, we're headed to Merced to return a license that we found in Natural Bridges. Not the one in Santa Cruz, California, but the one that's up in the Angels Camp area. I believe it's called the Valecito. So we're super excited to be returning our first item that's been returnable. We still have yet to return a cell phone that my daughter found that was working, because all the services are disconnected, so I'm thinking we're gonna have to go to AT&T for that. But yeah, we're on our way, and hopefully she'd like to take a picture or something with us. That way we can kind of be like, hey, this is our first return. So super excited, and I'll see you guys there.